Hello guys, this is my window camera. It is amazing to keep your house safe. Very easy to use, it's multiple use. You can put it on the indoor or outdoor of like that frame on the door. You can place it on the sliding door. You can place it on a window. You can put it on an RV. It has 5 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi 3 MP. It has night vision or color night vision, AI human detection, 2-way audio. It has cloud storage, and you can share the features of the camera of what it's recorded. Of course, it brings the manual. This is the camera. As you can see, it's very discreet due to the size. It brings the cable and everything you need to set it up.
Esta parte.
Mas vamos lá? Coloca aí.
A gente tá perto. Tá dando ressonância.